In this video, we will be adding departments. In Zyqual, departments refer to the small groups within the main group or bigger group we refer to as a faculty. Faculty then refers to the small groups with things in common. In today's video, we will be labeling the department in a primary school. However, in an infant school, the setup will be similar. In the navigation area, go to Admin. Next, we will go to Department Master. In Department Master on the right, we add department. In Zyqual, a list of faculty names are already in place. Choose the one which suits your school environment. For this video, we will go to Primary Lower School. The department name can be Grade 1, as simple as that, referring to all your Grade 1s. Or you may give it a special name to make it unique to your school. For our video today, we will be giving our department a unique name. We will be using PL for Primary Lower. So under department, we will put in PL for Primary Lower and then Grade 1. We will click the box to make it active so that other persons in your school can access it. And then we will click Save. And just like that, we have created our first department. Now let's create one for the upper school. Back to the right, add department. We're then going to choose the faculty for upper school, primary upper school. Under department name, we will give it a special name. Just remember, in your school, your name can be as simple as lower school or grade 4. For our purposes, we will be using the upper school. So we will put PU for primary upper and then grade 4. We will click the box to make it active and then save. We have now saved one department in our upper school and one department in our lower school.